In this video, we'll take a look at 6 new features of LinkedIn Jobs, including LinkedIn Resume Builder, LinkedIn Interview Prep, Job Alerts, Job Preferences, a tool called LinkedIn Profinder, and LinkedIn Salary, which will tell you estimated values for your sector. So all good resources, and we'll take a look at them in the following sections. In this video, I'll show you how to generate job alerts based on your profile on LinkedIn. Here we go. So just need to go to Jobs, and you can see there on the taskbar above, Job Alerts. So click on that. You can see any saved job alerts you may have run before, and then you can say ask for job recommendations. So just say yes to that. Click done, and it will suggest some job searches for you, which you can try. And based on your profile, it'll come up with certain roles that are currently being advertised, how many days ago, what the methods to apply are, whether you can apply through LinkedIn straight away, and on they go. With LinkedIn primarily still focused around recruitment, the career settings are worth looking at. Here we go. So here I am on my profile page. You can reach that by just going there and view profile. And here you can see show recruiters you're open to job opportunities, and you can control who can see what. So you can get started, what kind of work you might be looking for. You can add titles, so I say social media manager. I'll add different locations to that. So I'll add Nottingham. And choose the job type you're interested in. So I could say full-time, part-time, temporary. And then who you show it to. Your only recruiters, or it could be everyone on LinkedIn. So anyone signed into LinkedIn, or just people who are specifically related to recruitment. And then you say add to profile. And then you can now look at your job preferences. Okay, so what you can do is create job alerts, and they'll let you know. You get an email as soon as anything matching comes up. I'll say no thanks for that for now. And just generally looking at the other sections of this. You can look at all the details there, and so if I look at job profile, it just appears there as only open to job opportunities, any roles involving social media. Okay, so that's the how you let recruiters and other people on LinkedIn know that you're open to opportunities. Did you know that LinkedIn has a resume builder feature that helps you take your resume or CV from your LinkedIn profile based on the information provided there? I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So you need to go to the Jobs section in the above menus, click on More, and then select Resume Builder. You see there's a couple of versions already prepared there. So if you say New Resume, job title you're looking for, yeah, that'll do, and we'll say Apply. And then it checks to see whether the keyword you're searching for based on the job title is found in the document. So some keywords you might also want to include are suggested there. And there's some premium features that have more keywords. So yeah, it just basically takes a summary from your profile, the experience statements you've already got, and forms that into a couple of pages, including skills, honours and awards. So pretty much a ready-made, easily editable. But obviously you can click on each pencil icon, make any changes, enter a website link there, for example, change the location, and make any saves as you go. So definitely worth a look at that. Obviously you can download it as a PDF, you can preview it, you can make a copy of it, and you can actually do. LinkedIn has always had some great resources when it comes to recruitment, and the interview preparation section now gives you a chance to prepare for interviews. I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So from your profile, click on Jobs, and then click on More, and select Interview Prep. And what you've got here are 26 commonly asked questions, and as it says, you can get instant AI-powered feedback on the delivery of your answer. So by pressing on Practice and Get Feedback, you can choose to record a video or write a response. So really quite impressive ability to support you there. There are 26 questions listed out, and each one will have an overview. You'll actually see a sample answer if you have the premium edition of LinkedIn. You could potentially sign up for a 30-day trial just for that period of time. And you can also choose from categories: general, the common questions, finance specific, and sales specific questions as well. So a really good resource there, interview prep on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very much about recruitment, and I'll show you how you can post a job opportunity on LinkedIn. Here we go. So if you click on Jobs, and then you click Post a free job, you just need to fill out the basic information requested. So job title. So I've done that, and now I click Start Job Post. And you can actually select from a ready-made job description template for the role. So you can leave it as that if you want, or you can edit it. You can add some various skills to it. So let's put in Twitter, Facebook, marketing. How did you hear about us? Online ad. And then you can say preview. So that's how it'll look like to job seekers. Click continue. And then how you get to receive your applicants. So either via email, link them to a website, and some additional questions. And then you click Post Job for free. So lots of possibilities with the LinkedIn job tool. Obviously you can use it to search for jobs as well, but it's great to know you can post for free at this time. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers. LinkedIn Profinder is a great way to find freelance resources to help you with your projects. I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So the Profinder is an option under the work menu here. So click there and then click Profinder. Now you could also register to be a provider for this service as well. If you click here on the drop down, are you a pro? You can actually register your details. But in this case, I'm just going to walk you through how you look for a particular service. So if I'm saying accounting, yeah, and let's say get started. you just fill out some basic information. So what do you want? So you want bookkeeping, accounts received, payable. Who is the accounting service for? For sole proprietorship. The size of my business. Turnover. Anything you use currently. You can get ongoing work. You can say within the next month. You can select I only want to work with the accountant in person, add some brief details, enter a location, and then get free proposals. And you'll get 24 hours, you're all set, and we'll introduce you to experts available and interested in helping you. So really straightforward. Again, if you're a professional, you can register here to apply, and that can help generate you some leads directly. So great service either way.